The NEC suite of contracts is often praised for promoting collaboration and reducing disputes. Its design philosophy emphasises clear communication, proactive management, and a collaborative approach, which distinguishes it from traditional forms of contracts like JCT. But how valid is this claim in practice? The NEC suite, particularly NEC4 Engineering and Construction Contract, is structured around principles of mutual trust and cooperation, as explicitly stated in Clause 10.1. This principle mandates parties to act transparently and work together to achieve project objectives. Features like early warnings, risk management systems, and collaborative project management tools, such as regular risk reduction meetings, are built into the contract to ensure issues are identified and addressed promptly. NEC contracts aim to mitigate disputes by encouraging proactive management rather than reactive responses. Project managers under NEC have a more active role compared to their counterparts under traditional contracts. They are required to issue instructions, make decisions, and engage with the contractor continuously to avoid stagnation and disputes. For example, compensation events, a mechanism for addressing change in scope, time, or cost, are designed to be resolved promptly through an agreed process, rather than left to the end of the project as a potential dispute. Despite these features, whether NEC truly fosters collaboration and reduces disputes depends on how well the contract is implemented. One criticism is that NEC's effectiveness relies heavily on the competence of the parties involved. Proper understanding and training in NEC's processes, particularly the proactive management of risks and compensation events, are essential for collaboration to succeed. Without this, parties may fail to utilise its mechanisms effectively, leading to the very disputes it seeks to prevent. In practice, the NEC has garnered mixed reviews regarding its ability to reduce disputes. Proponents highlight its success in large complex projects, particularly in infrastructure and public sector work, where collaboration is critical. For example, the use of NEC contracts in projects like Crossrail and the London 2012 Olympics has been cited as evidence of its ability to streamline processes and reduce adversarial practices. However, some critics argue that NEC's focus on collaboration can be idealistic in some contexts. They point out that disputes still occur under NEC contracts, often stemming from poor implementation or misinterpretation of its terms. Moreover, the high level of administrative effort required to manage NEC contracts effectively can sometimes result in disputes over procedural compliance. The NEC's claim of fostering collaboration and reducing disputes is certainly true in a lot of instances, but its successes depend rather significantly on the parties' willingness and ability to embrace its principles. The NEC provides a very strong framework for collaborative working and proactive dispute avoidance. However, effective implementation, supported by proper training and a collaborative mindset, is critical to realising the full potential of the NEC contract. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.